of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart.
Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you guys my morning shower routine. Make sure that you check out this video in order to smell absolutely amazing and in order to have a relaxing shower experience. And let's go ahead and get right into today's video. Now, everyone is always asking about my legs. Mattie, what do you use on your legs? How do you keep your legs so nice, smooth, and shiny? And I always have to share with them, well, there's this specific mixture that I use. So now whenever people ask me this question, I can just share this video with them. You guys, this is super easy and very simple to make, and I hope that you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. First and foremost, you are of course going to need a mixing bowl, and today I am starting off with some good old brown sugar. Now, if you know anything about brown sugar, you probably know that it's extremely moisturizing. Brown sugar naturally exfoliates and removes dead cells. It hydrates the skin and promotes healthy skin cleansing and circulation. Next, I will also be adding in some organic sweet almond oil. Now, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. Almond oil is great for moisturizing your skin, and it also is a great emollient. Sweet almond oil promotes smooth, youthful, blemish-free skin by boosting collagen production, keeping it hydrated and supple. And last but not least, I will be adding in a few drops of lavender oil, which is optional. But lavender oil is great for aromatherapy. So if you're going to be using this scrub while you're in the shower, it is great to help you to be able to relax after you get out of the shower. I'd suggest using this scrub at night for amazing benefits and also to rest peacefully that night. And after you complete the third and final step, you can then mix all three of these ingredients together, and voila, you have yourself a nice scrub for you to be able to get some extremely soft legs overnight. Now, if you are planning to make a significant amount of this brown sugar scrub, you can store it for about 3 months. If it's stored properly, it should last about 3 months. But I typically make mine in smaller portions, and as I go, I'll make another batch and another batch, but whatever floats your boat is what will work just fine for you. Just make sure that you are not keeping this scrub longer than 3 months. And voila, you guys, that is it for this video. Make sure that you apply this up to 3 times a week for the best results. And if you have sensitive skin, you can apply it 1 to 2 times a week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, and if you are still watching, comment some stars down below. I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in a bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. That is what my